today we're gonna hike Black Star Canyon, which is right here. This is the entry of it. This right there, Black Star Canyon, baby. Very interesting place. A lot of mountain lions right here, and this is the entry. I won't fit. Rami doesn't fit. Keep going, guys. I'll jump over the goddamn thing. People like me don't fit. See that? It's easy for them. See, bikers, they're always skinny. A lot of bikers. This is a place very, very popular with bikers because it's completely closed for vehicles.
That's why it's good to have a light bike.
Okay. Matt, sir, go for it. I gotta take my backpack, bro. I ain't taking my backpack. I am not taking my backpack.
Fit easily, Rami.
Huh? I'm not taking my backpack off. I jump over it. Voila! I made it. Okay, guys, now we're in Black Star Canyon. Okay, me, Matt, Scott, and Nikki. Alright, so hopefully we're gonna be searching the waterfalls today. Black Star Canyon falls. And we'll talk to you guys later. This is Nikki. Say hi, Nikki.
No.
Say hi, Nikki. Say hi, Nikki. I'll take the camera off your face.
Hi, Nikki.
Okay. Hi, Scott. Fuck you too, Scott. I have some mountain lion to eat you today, you fucking piece of shit. Alright, guys, we'll talk to you guys later.
You did.
This is my baby right here.
No.
Nikki, she's my baby, but we're divorced right now.
Well,
Right now we're divorced, separated, kinda. And we'll talk to you guys later.
Remember?
She is mad at me too. Somehow every girl in this world mad at me. Oh, Dawn, by the way, I love you.
You're mean.
Talk to you guys later. Not to Dawn.
You're mean.
To every girl out there but Dawn.
You're mean.
Yeah. Love ya. Okay, guys, now we're here on Black Star Canyon. Today is the 16th or 17th of January 2010, and it's a beautiful place in here. It's literally the perfect habitat for mountain lions. It's a creek right there, and we're on this road right here, this trail. It's closed for vehicles. No vehicles around in here. A lot of mountain bikers right here. A lot of mountain bikers and a lot of hikers. So today me, Matt, Nikki, and Scott hiking it, and we're in the search of waterfalls. More bikers out there. It's a lot of bikers here. Okay, so we'll talk to you guys later. RAMIDOGG in Black Star Canyon, Orange County, California. Go Lakers. Something weird spooky in here. Spooky. Spooky. Huh?
Maybe it's a marijuana farm.
A government marijuana farm, absolutely. I would not be surprised. Very interesting. Guys, this is kind of weird. This is an electric fence right here. Interesting. Beside the electric fence. This is the first time I ever see electric fence while I'm hiking. But you know what they say? Always see cool stuff, cool and new stuff to you. Very interesting stuff. The boys and the girls in front of me. We got a lot of bikers here, man. Yeah, bikers pass us every 10 minutes, every 5 minutes too. A lot of bikers. It's just it's a great road, you know. So nice. More bikers. And there's Nikki, Scott, and Matt right there in front of me. We are in Black Star Canyon trail right here. The creek to our left. So we just found the road. I think the total is about 6.6 mile hike. But we'll see. Talk to you guys later. This is just tripping me off right here. This fence. This fence is tripping me up. It's an electric fence. I might attempt to touch it just for fun. but if I do, I'll have it on camera. Alright? We'll see later. This is naughty.
Yeah, like.
Whew. That's a creek right there. See? All the way there. Nice little creek. Can't wait till we get to the waterfall.
Scott, careful, seriously, careful.
Ah, touch it. I'm gonna touch it, dude. I'm gonna touch it later. I'm attempting just for fun, see. The barbed wire is not like it's the other side. You have to worry about. See, this one. This one. The barbed wire is not electrical. It's the other one.
No, I'm saying they spent so much money on it.
Oh, dude, this fence was millions. We'll see. You guys will know end of the trip. If I touch it, I don't. Talk to you guys later. I probably don't. Talk to you guys later. Beautiful creek. Beautiful. Nikki and Matt in front of me. Beautiful place. Black Star Canyon. And Scott somewhere there. Yeah, that's Scotty. Hi, Scott. Beautiful place, guys. I love this thing. Black Star Canyon, baby. Orange County, California. Spooky motorbikers. Hello, sir. So beautiful. Great place. Perfect habitat for mountain lions right here.
Scott, is there room in your backpack?
You can use mine, honey.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Mommy, we should go faster.
You go faster.
You can go faster. Let's do
I
it.
want pictures. I want to take pictures and videos.
No.
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 Yes.
No. You just said no. You can't.
No, I'm saying no to you.
No.
I say no. You say no. I say no. You say yes. This is beautiful, eh?
Come on, Robbie. Come on.
Uh-oh, she looked good now. She always looked good, but she took... I'm filming you. You better run. Run, girl, run. Yeah, sexy girl. Spooky. Spooky. Indian's gonna get you now. Indian people ghost gonna get you. Run. I see Indian ghost behind you, but run. Run, Nicky, run. It's gonna get you. The Indian's gonna get you.
Don't sweat. He wants to film.
I'll kill him. I don't give a fuck. Who cares? Sweating like crazy now. Good time, guys. This trail is awesome. Beautiful. Beautiful trail. Wow, spectacular.
Mommy, come right with me.
Okay, I'll be here. I'll be there, sweetie. I love her. What can I say? Ooh. You're a naughty girl, Nikki. Hi guys, she's waiting for me. I'll see you guys there. I love you, Dawn. Guys, look at this. This is landslide right here. Hill from this hill. Look at this thing. Look at messed up all. The whole trail right here. This is crazy. Cool as hell. See the roots from the trees? Cool stuff. There's damages all over here. Mother Nature always wins. This is awesome. Scott right there. Met Nikki up front. And RAMIDOGG, as usual, you guys know. Right here, baby. Enjoying this great hike. This is gnarly. Cool stuff. Black Canyon, baby. Black Canyon. Black Star Canyon. More bikes. How you doing, sir? A lot of bikes. Whoa, this is old cool. What the hell is this? Some tractor or something? This is cool. This is, oh my god, look at it. Scott, just one sec. Look at this, guys. This is gnarly. This is an old school tractor. Awesome. Okay guys, these are 5 roads over there. Okay, we just got off of it, and we're in a single trail right here. Keep going, mate. Okay. It's very kind of thick area. That creek right there, so hopefully we'll keep found the creek. I'm guessing the waterfall around there in this canyon.
Probably in here, dude.
It's gotta be somewhere there. So when we get there, Scott over there, Scott and Nikki's above. Scott! Say hi to the camera! Yep, he's right there. Okay, beautiful area here. Just see that? See that terrain? Remind me of Red Rock Trail in Wyden Ranch, which is very close to here. But we are in the Black Star Canyon trail now. Look at this canyon, gorgeous. Awesome. Mass right there. Yeah, this RAMIDOGG, sweating like a little pig. Talk to you guys later. Going downhill now. This is steep going downhill. Scott, this is cool, dude. This is steep going down. Wow.
Dude, it just climbed like 30 degrees.
Whew. Where's Nikki?
I'm right here. Oh, it's the wrong way. But
She
it's
went
like,
around.
there's like rocks up there.
It's
Like,
beautiful, isn't it?
Alrighty, top.
Keep going, Scott.
Yeah, wait for him.
Keep going, Matt. Let's leave Nikki here, guys. This is thick. Thick trail right here. This is good. Interesting terrain here. Oh, Scott. Alright.
Dead end, dude.
It's not dead end, cannot be dead end. Keep going.
what does poison ivy look like again?
Everything around you is almost out. Poison oak, not poison ivy. Oh man. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
The creek right there. Look at this.
Okay.
So beautiful.
Flowers of the trees.
Waterfall, here we come. It's a bet to get here. Cheese.
Dude.
We're gonna find it, dude.
Dude,
But
we're gonna find this. This is awesome.
this is gorgeous.
Oh my god.
I'm telling you, bro. It is hard to get to it. That's not many people come to know about that waterfall.
I've never seen this before.
I know, dude.
Look at down there.
I saw that. This is just gorgeous. Look at this canyon. Just beautiful, bro. I love this rock formation. Let me risk it a little bit here.
Oh my. Mommy already freaking.
Look at that.
Where is it?
Sage, yeah. Oh, dude, you're gonna love that waterfall. I knew it's gonna be in there somewhere. We have to go around all the way there, dude. It's cool. So, talk to you guys later.